The first habit you need to take to guarantee your success in your 20s is you need to be action oriented. This is a mindset thing. You should not be a thinker in your 20s. You should be ready to take risks. 20s is the best time for you to discover your purpose, and you will not discover your purpose if you're trying to play safe, not going after what you love, not doing what you wish for yourself. But you need to remember, growth only happens outside your comfort zone. You need to do things you're not comfortable with if you really want to grow. What's the worst that could happen? You fail. And if you fail, what happens? You pick up yourself and you know that, okay, this part isn't meant for me. Let me try this part next. But if you don't even try at all, you will never know if it will work out or not. And later in life, that thought will keep disturbing you, like, what if I had tried this? What would have been the outcome? Failure only happens when you give up. So are you going to give up on yourself? No. If something doesn't work, you try something else. My message for you today is to be action oriented. Stop overthinking things and go after what you want. The next tip is planning. 20 is the best time for you to plan, to set goal for yourself and to work towards it, to take action. If you don't have a goal, there is nothing you are working towards. You are just working towards, I want to be successful. But you are not going after a specific target, and that's going to ensure you're successful when you have a specific goal that you're working towards. So start planning. It can be as little as planning your day. Just every night before you go to bed, just plan your day. What are the things I need to do tomorrow to ensure I'm moving towards my goal, to ensure I'm taking steps to achieve my goals, to make tomorrow be a successful and productive day? Just little things like that will make you 1 inch closer to being successful. I have a bonus tip at the end of the video that will make all the planning and taking action easy. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stay to the end of the video. The next habit is for you to take intentional steps to improve your self-confidence. These are things that you do internally and externally. This involves you incorporating healthy habits to your lifestyle. When it comes to external, making sure you look the part, you dress nice, you smell nice. It doesn't even have to be makeup. Present yourself like the person you want to be addressed, how you want to look in the future when you've attained that success. And this doesn't mean you should start living a fake life or you should try to act like what you're not. No, there's a difference. But make sure with what you have, make sure you look presentable. When it comes to internally, this is you dieting and exercising. Now when it comes to exercise, I know it's not so easy. Like, even if you don't want to exercise now, but dieting, watching your junk food intake, being careful about your sugar intake, making sure you take enough water. When you finally start exercising, it's going to be easy for you. And all these things is just going to improve your confidence. The next habit is to be financially responsible. This means this is the best time for you to take charge of your finances. A lot of people feel like, oh, I'm earning too little now, that's why I can save. When I start earning a lot, I'll start saving. But the truth is, if you don't start saving now that you're earning so little, you are probably not going to save when you are earning a whole lot more. If you earn 10,000 naira, and you save 10% or 5% of it, you save 1,000 every month. Once you start earning more, it's already a habit. You already know that 10% of whatever I'm earning, I'm going to keep it aside. So it happens automatically. Look for ways that you can start investing. You don't need a lot to start investing. Be open to finding ways to increase your income. Don't be complacent. Don't be satisfied with just one source of income. The more source of income you can get, the better for you. If you're average with your finances, you're average with your spendings, you're not cautious of your spendings, it's going to bring down every other aspect you're working on. If you think, oh, I'm very healthy, my education is in check, my work is in check, but your finance, you don't have a good grip on your finances, it's going to affect every other thing. It's going to affect every other aspect of your life. So make sure you take charge of your finances. So the next habit you need to have is to ensure you're open to learning new things. Always try to learn new things. Don't be stuck on things that you already know. Most importantly, be open to reading. Try to read. Reading should not end in school. Try to read as much as you can. There are a lot of good books out there. And if you read, try to go outside your normal reading section. For example, if you like reading romance book, once in a while, try to read other things like adventure, non-fiction. Try to read different things. Like me now, I like reading business books and books that have to do with self-improvement. But now, anytime I get books, I'm going to include one book that has to do with something completely different. It can be a novel, it can be something on adventure, horror, anything. I'm just going to ensure I try other things, because you learn other things from other books too that you're not used to. There are a lot of books on finances that will help you with your finance. There are a lot of books on relationships that will help you with building relationships. So just try to be open to learning. The bonus habit you need to do to ensure your success in your 20s is journaling. I cannot stress the importance of journaling enough. When you journal, all this planning comes easy to you, because as you are writing, you are gaining clarity of what you want in your life. You are gaining clarity of the kind of person you are, on what you need to do to achieve what you want. If you're interested in learning how to journal, check out this video where I share how to journal for beginners. Click the subscribe button if you're interested in self-improvement guide. Thank you for watching. Bye.